Hi, my name is Brooker. I'm an engineer on the growth team at PostHog, and I'm going to show you how to use the PostHog MCP. I've been using the PostHog MCP on various clients for a while now, both in my work at PostHog and on side projects. I found it to be really useful for analyzing event data, analyzing errors, which I'm going to show off today. And you can also use it to manage feature flags, experiments, create dashboards, create insights, lots of other things. It's all documented on our docs, but we're going to start with error handling. So I made a game. It's called Homestead Harvest, and I have some chickens, and I want to buy a sheep. But we have a problem. When I try to buy the sheep, I get an error. So we're going to use the PostHog MCP in Replit to give the agent more context about what's happening so that I don't need to open up the console and copy paste the error or go find the error. So I have a prompt ready for you to use here that should help with setting up PostHog in Replit. Just gives the agent some instructions on how to get different tokens and what to set up in the app. All right, it looks like it set up PostHog. So we have a PostHog.ts where a lot of our configuration is set up. So we have capture exceptions set to true, auto capture set to true, and then that's pulled into main.tsx there. And then it also updated the build script to upload the source maps. And this will help with the error handling. And I republished the app. We're going to reproduce the error here so that we can have it sent to PostHog. And then we'll go back to Replit and ask it to find the error from PostHog and fix it. All right, it used the list errors tool in the PostHog MCP, got a bunch of information about the error. Now it's gonna fix the bug. Great. Thanks for tagging along. You can see the docs for a lot more of what the MCP can do. This is just one of many things you can do with the MCP in Replit.